prone YTW lifts. 1. Lie face down. 2. Keep your legs extended and feet together, toes pointing down. 3. Engage your core and press your pubic bone lightly into the mat so your lower back stays neutral. 4. Keep your forehead resting gently on the mat or slightly lifted with neck neutral. 1. Extend your arms overhead at about a 45° angle, forming a Y. Palms face down or thumbs pointing up. Squeeze your shoulder blades down and together. Lift your arms a few inches off the mat. Hold briefly, then lower. 2. Extend your arms straight out to the sides, forming a T. Thumbs up toward the ceiling. Again, retract your shoulder blades and lift arms off the mat. Hold, then lower. 3. Bend your elbows to about 90°, forming a W. Keep elbows just above the mat. Squeeze shoulder blades and lift forearms and elbows upward. Hold, then lower. Do 3 sets, 10 reps.